In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Plotly in VS Code. By the end, you'll have the Plotly extension ready to use so you can visualize data and build interactive charts right inside your editor. This walkthrough is simple, and I'll add tips along the way to keep things smooth. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Make sure you're in the desktop application, not a browser-based instance, so you have full access to extensions. If VS Code prompts you about an update on launch, you can let it update. Having a recent version helps extensions install and run reliably. Next, look to the activity bar on the left side of the window and click the extensions icon. It looks like a set of squares arranged in a grid. This opens the extensions view where you can search, install, and manage everything you add to VS Code. If you don't immediately see the icon, try expanding the window or checking the view menu to reveal the extensions panel. In the search box at the top of the extensions view, type Plotly. You'll see a list of matching results appear. Take a moment to find the official Plotly extension from a trusted publisher. You can confirm you've got the right one by glancing at its description, ratings, and download count. The search results update as you type, so patience here ensures you pick the correct extension and avoid similarly named tools that aren't what you need. Once you've selected the Plotly extension, click the Install button. VS Code will download the extension and handle the setup automatically. You'll see progress feedback in the lower right corner. Depending on your connection, this can take a moment. If VS Code asks you to trust the publisher or to reload the window, go ahead and confirm so the extension can activate fully. When the installation completes, the Install button changes to show that it's installed, and a small gear icon appears for quick access to settings. That's your confirmation that you're good to go. If the install seems slow, check your internet connection or pause any heavy downloads. On managed networks, a firewall or proxy can delay marketplace access. Trying again or consulting your network settings often resolves that. You don't need to change anything inside your code yet. This step is just about getting the extension in place. That's it. You opened VS Code, went to the extensions view, searched for Plotly, and installed it. You're now set up to work more visually with your data projects right inside the editor.